Hello, young master. Yes, I'm okay. I just got down with a cold, that's all. Yes, I'm okay. I just need some time to rest. I'm... No, young master, I'm not sick at all. You don't have to worry about me. You just go get ready for school. I'll be okay. Trust me. No, young master. You're supposed to go to school. No, young master. I'll be here. Young master. You don't have to do that for me. It's okay. Okay. If only I had more energy. No, you go now. You can't stay here. If the teachers find out you skipped out on school again, then... I know you don't care about your reputation, but what would the officials think? What would your father think? You don't care. Oh, you should care, my liege. Young master, please don't sit beside me. You could get sick as well. You're always so caring. I take it's a trait you took from your father. No. Then where? I doubt it came from me. You are always so kind and caring. Okay, you've convinced me. This is very nerve-wracking. Are you sure you know how to care for me? I could always call in another official to take over. No? Well, I guess I could understand. You are very attached to me after all. I'm okay. I'm okay. Just chest pains. That's all. Young master, could you get me a glass of water, please? Thank you. Why water? Well, my throat is parched, so I'm gonna need something to clear it up, wash it all away. That wasn't funny. Guess I'm gonna have to wash away the anger. Yes, my breathing's okay. Don't worry about it. Do not worry about it at all. I just need the water, please. Thank you, young master. I do hope this condition goes away soon. Yes, someone has to take you to school. I know, you can walk, but as a member of the royal family, you have to be very careful as to not get tracked by anyone who might be a bit hostile to you and those you care about. You have to be careful. Very well. If you're really so intent on staying, then stay. Now then, since you're here, you might as well go grab a blanket for me. Yes, a blanket. And possibly a change of clothes for me. I'm still wearing my suit. If you could please grab something else for me. Specifically my pajamas. It's just up there, in the drawers. Yes, in my bedroom. There you go. Pass it over to me. Now, I'll need you to turn around. I can't have you spotting me while I'm changing. That wouldn't be very nice of me to expose myself in that way. What? Calm yourself. Why are you so vulgar around me? You ought to be reprimanded for that. No, just turn around and let me change. So, you really want to stay? Very well then. You are quite the kind soul. No, I'm being completely honest. Despite your laziness, lay about nature, and the fact that you can't really get anything done yourself, you've got a good heart. Well, your tendencies to arrive late at school, I've discovered. You were helping people, passerbys. It's quite admirable, despite your grades dropping completely. Oh, I hear noises behind me. Just what are you doing, my liege? Oh, making breakfast. That's my job. Young master, you don't have to. No, but that's my job, and if that is your wish, then I will obey. This isn't right. I should be taking care of you. Well, yes, it was inevitable that I would get sick eventually, but I could always call another official, and you don't want that? I see. Then I guess you would prefer taking care of your sick right hand instead of being taken care of by another butler. I see. Then I have nothing more to comment on that. No, I will not budge. I will not tell you anything. You really are quite something. You keep pushing for answers. You know, if you play with fire, you're gonna get burned one day. Very weird phrasing, I know. But as for you, very well then. I shall lie here until you finish. You may turn around now. I've changed. It is quite weird for you, is it not? Seeing me like this, so sick, so vulnerable. This isn't how the right hand of royalty should look, but it seems that I have no choice in the matter. My master wants me to lie here and be taken care of in a very, very mediocre way. Yes, I said mediocre, because you are a terrible cook. How do I know? Well, during one of my many excursions to the markets, I came back to the kitchen to find it all messy and you passed out in your room. Now, I'm not too sure where all those pots and pans came from, but I could clearly see a plate of overcooked eggs. Brown eggs, specifically. Would you call them scrambled eggs? More like just burnt eggs. It was actually quite delicious, but just a tad bit overcooked. I could teach you sometime, if you'd like, my liege. Well, I'm obviously not going to teach you now. I'm sick. What can a sick right hand do for you? Now, no need to joke like that. My liege, respectfully, if you do not stop with this flirtatious actions, I will slap you with this pillow. Good. Now, I am going to lie here and take in one of the only times I could ever rest and have a break from taking care of such a rowdy royal. What? Hey, what are you? No, you don't have to. You'd want to sit here instead. No, you shouldn't. You need to. You're a bit too close. Please, could you, hey, you don't have to put your hand on my cheek like that. Yes, my face is hot, but you don't have to do that. I already know. Yes, I do appreciate you being by my side like this. Okay, you've made your point. You can let go of my cheek now. Young master, do you really want to take care of me? This is your last chance to call someone. You know your father could grab someone far more capable than me, and I see. Very well then, my liege. This will be the third straight day in a row you've delayed your arrival to school because of other duties as a member of the royal family. Thank you, my liege. You are a kind person. Hey, don't put your hand on my hair. I'll slap you with this pillow, my liege.